Good day, guys. Been here. Previously, we did this adaptive family, so it's a Gothic vault family. So, but we used spline to create those the curve. Today, we're going to model another one. So, in this one, we're going to use arc. Okay, so to create all these curves. Okay, so let's start. First, let's create a adaptive family. So and place 4 points. Okay, so and make them adaptive points. Then create a spline. Check the reference line. Spline, reference line. Spline, reference line, and last one, spline and reference line. Okay, so then place some point. So use draw on work plane, set work plane, pick the horizontal work plane, place it on those adaptive points. So repeat, set, place, set, place. Now select these 4 points, so not adaptive points. Okay, so 4 points, and let's give them an offset so they will go up from these adaptive points, and we're going to create a let's call it h for height. Okay, so then select these points and create a spline, and then select all these lines and make them reference line. Now if we okay, so I think that's enough for now. So now we need to create those. So because all the arc will start from the adaptive points and go up and finish stop on this middle point of this reference line. So what I'm going to do is I'll just do a screenshot of this, and let's draw this arc. So it was stop here, so midpoint. So this will be the arc. Okay, so yeah, so let's just make it more smooth. Okay, so now the center point of this arc will be roughly here. Okay, so and then if I connect this to this point, so the length of this will be the R. And also if I connect this point down here, it will and this perpendicular to this reference line, and this will be the h, will be the height. Okay, so and also if the distance between point 1 and point 2 is w, and then this one will be the w divided by 2. Okay, so now if I connect the point 2 to the center point of this arc, so the rest of this will be, because from point 1 to this point will be R as well, will be R, so this one will be R minus W divided by 2. Okay, so in this triangular shape, so in this one, we know that we can use this formula. If this is A, this is B, this is C, we know that A square plus B square equals c square. So if we use these, so what we get is h square plus b, which is this, r minus w divided by 2 square equals r square equals this one. So h square plus r square minus r times w plus w square divided by 4 equals r square. So get rid of the r, get rid of the r square, and move this to here. What we get is h square plus w square divided by 4 equals r times w. So we divide this by w, so put w here. So this is the formula for the r. Okay, so now we just need to create this reporting parameter w, and then we can get the r. Okay, so let's do it. So first, point 1 and 2, set work plan and pick this reference line di dimension and place a dimension. So let me just change the scale. Yeah. So this one, create a reporting parameter. Let's call it w1, instance reporting. And then set work plan, this one, di. This one will be w2, so create a new reporting parameter. So that's w2. And then set work plan and pick this one, di dimension, and so this one will be w3. And then once again set work plan, di, and this one will be w4. And the instance reporting and OK. So now let's go back to w1. So we need to so the point. So if we go back here, so we need to find this point. So this point is a point offset from the point 1 towards the point 2 direction with the equals r, the offset equals r. So what we're going to do is we're going to first place one point and use draw on face and place a point on this reference line. So now we have this point, and so I'll just change this show reference plans to always. And now you can see this is a work plan, and this work plan will always be perpendicular to this reference line. Okay, so if I move this point, you will see, right? So which means we can place another point, use draw on work plan, set work plan, pick this work plan, and place it on this point, and OK. So now if I select this point, drag this to here, and then the direction from point 1 to this point will always same to this reference line. So you can see if you move this point, will always follow the direction of this reference line. Okay, so now we can just select this point and move it to this end, so which is 0, and then the offset of this point, we just need to create a parameter r. So let's create a new parameter. So we're going to use instance parameter, and OK. So now actually let's name it r1 because we are going to have 4 different r. So call it r1 and OK. And let's have a look at this formula. So equals h square plus w square divided by 4 divided by w. So we just go here, R1 equals h square plus w square divided by 4, and then go back bracket and bracket divided by w. So divide by w1, okay, w1, apply. So now click OK. So here, so this is the point of this one. Okay, so now we can create a arc from this point. So go reference, so use this center ends arc, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick the vertical, so tab this one, and start from this point, and then point 1, and go up until you hit this reference line. Okay, so click, and then you will see this. Just lock it, and also there's another one here, lock, and also create a R dimension, radius dimension. Select this dimension and use this R1. Okay, so that's it. So this is one of the arc. So if you move the point 2, so for example, so you will see this arc will always start from point 1 and finish on the midpoint of this reference line. Okay, so now let's repeat. We need to create another 7 of this. So point, draw face, place it here, and point, draw work plane, set work plane, pick the vertical work plane of this point, place it on the point. Okay, select this point. So this point go that way. So what we need is offset that direction to the left direction. So that's okay. So we'll just drag it to the right. Select this point and use flip. Okay, so see this one point go to the other direction. So now we can move this to click on type in 1. You'll go to the point, adaptive point, and select this point. So we just link this to R1 and OK. So now you will see it comes to here, and reference arc, set work plane, tab, pick this work plane, start from this point, and then point 2, and then go up here. So make sure you pick stop not on this arc. Although they are the same, but if you stop, if you see this highlight, this horizontal reference line, you will be able to, oops, that's fine, let's do it again so it goes to the other direction. So set work plane, tab, start from this point, point 2, go up here, click, yep, and then lock it, and lock it, and create a radius, and select this dimension and link to R1. That's it, that's for R1. And then we need R2. So we just do the same, point, draw on face, point 1, let's just place another one here, and then point, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick this work plane and place it on the point. Okay, so another one, and place it on the point. Okay, so select this point, go that way, that's okay. Click this one, go that way as well, but this one I'll just flip it, and then I'll move this to 0. Okay, this one go to 1, and then select this point as well as this point. Control select both of them, and let's create a offset, so which is R2. So create R2 instance, OK and OK. Now go to family types. We just need to copy this one, Control C, Control V, change 1 to 2, and apply and OK. So now we have these center points. So reference center ends arc, draw work plan, set work plan. Pick the vertical, so this one, and then create an arc, go up to this, where is it? Oh, go this way. Let's do it again, sorry. And here, point 3, stop, assuming here, and lock, and create this, and this one will be R2. So repeat, reference arc, set work plan, pick this, and start from here, and this point, and go up. Maybe in the tab, no, you can't do tab. Try to here. I can't see the lock. That's fine. We're going to do it later. So let's just link this R2, and then because it's not locked to this reference line, we just need to, let's try again. So yeah, just lock it. Okay, so this is R2, and then another 4 point, draw on face, 1, 2, 3, 4, and draw on work plan, set work plan, pick this one, place, okay, another one, this one, place, okay, another one, place, okay, another one, place, okay, and then select this point, go that way, select this one, go that way, but this one we need to flip this one. Okay, so and then select this one, go that way, maybe flip this, and select this point, go that way. Yeah, that's all good. And select this point, go 0. Okay, this one go to 1, and this one go to 0, and this one go 1. Okay, so now these two will be R3. Okay, so create a parameter R3 instance, okay, and these two will be R4 instance, and okay, and okay. So let's go family types, R3, just copy this, just change W2 with W3, and paste, change W2 with W4, and apply, and OK. So now you will see all the points go. These two are R3, and these two are R4. So now we can create the arc, draw work plan, set work plan, pick this tab, and start from the center point, and point 4, and to the center of this reference line. Lock, lock, and radius. Select its radius, change it to R3. Another one, arc, set work plan, tab, start from here, point 3, and to the center point of that reference line. Yeah, I'll go to the other direction. Let's do it again, sorry. Arc, start from set work plan, and start from point 3 and to this reference line. Trying to pick the horizontal reference line here. Click, yeah, lock and lock and radius. So this one will be R3 as well. And then we need two arc for the R4. Reference, arc, set work plan. Pick this one, start from center point. This point, go up to here, lock, lock, radius. Another one, start from here, and this point, go up to here. Goes to here. So let's do it again. Yeah, sometimes it's just go to the other direction. I'm not sure why, but let's just try to do another one. Here, yeah, good. And lock here, radius. And I'm going to select this one and also this radius as well, and link them to R4. Okay, so now we have all the arc. So, and we just need to select this one, and this one, and create. Oh hell, we need to select the other side as well. Okay, so create a form, so it will create a solid form. And once again, so 1, 2, and this tab 3, 4, 5, 6, and create another solid form, and then we're going to join them. Okay, so then that's it. I'm not sure how to. Actually, I'm not sure how to get rid of face, because at first I tried to remove the face, the vertical face, and the bottom of this solid, but no luck. So if you know how to do it, please let me know. But it's okay, because you can just use this shape to place walls. So now this family is, I think it's finished. So now we can just go create a project. And so if you load this into the project, so you will be able to place it. So this is a 4-point adaptive family. So you can place 4 points, and then that's it. That's the shape. And then you can place. So for example, place wall by face, or maybe roof. Let's just place wall. No, that's too thick. Maybe let's make 100 wall, something like that. So CS, create similar, and place another wall. And maybe you can. So let's just do it again. Select the wall. SA, delete, WA, wall. You can change this by maybe finish exterior. Let's try this. And pick. Yeah, is it the same? Maybe change. Let's change this to interior. Yeah. Okay. So CS. Let's use interior instead. So this way, at least when you after you finish, and if you let's just HH the mass, when you look from the under, it looks. I think it looks better. Okay. So let's do a few more. So this time I'm going to just place some reference plan, and maybe I'll just copy this by maybe 5 meter, and I'll copy another one maybe 9, meter, and then another one 5 meter as well, and I'll create some more, maybe 5 meter, and maybe 9 meter, so just some different size. Okay, so something like this, and then if let's just create this one CS, so we can place on the intersection of these reference plans. So like this, and maybe copy this to here because they are the same size, and maybe we can place some here because they are different size. Looks like that's fine, just ignore that roughly. Okay, so roughly place this mass. So now let's have a look in 3D view, and these are the mass we placed, and you will see the heights are the same, and if you want to change the height, you can just edit type. So for example, I'll change all of them to 12 meter, so see, and then we can CS place some wall by face, so you can just place walls by just click on this face of mass. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so that's it, and then you can select all the mass, you can hide the HH, and then from underneath you can see that's what we get. Okay, so and let's just HR, and then if you want to change the height, so let's try maybe 7.5 meter, and then you can select all the wall and just update, and they will follow the shape, and then you can hide the mass, and that's it. Okay, so so that's it. So this time the difference between this one and the last one we did in day 414 is these arcs are actual arc, because last time we used a spline. Okay, so that's the only difference, and you can because that's they are it is 4 points adaptive point, so you can even create some different shape. So like this, they don't need to be rectangular or square, so you can create some interesting room shape like that. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Bye.